See this? To replace my lamp.
Oh yeah. And it's leaking already.
Yeah, it flew the other day. Literally had it in the air for the GoPro.
The GoPro broke it. Too heavy. Not rated for GoPros.
Why's the car up this high?
I'm 5 foot fuck up. I don't want to get me that dirty.
It's one of those things, mate. If you got a hoist, you might as well just have it up high, right?
Oh yeah, you just put it all the way to the top.
Might as well just max it out.
I paid for the whole hoist, I'm going to use it.
Don't use all of it.
No, yeah.
I'm going to let that jack down a little bit.
He's going to let down all the way and the gearbox is going to fall on the ground.
Oh yeah, straight up.
No, it's not touching anything.
Look, you don't want to be doing one on the ground, I can tell you now. They're a big, heavy thing.
That's where we came from.
We went a little bit higher
From the
on
gutter.
this side. Bees dick. There you go. Look at that. Oh, this side's out. That side fell back out.
There we go.
Bottom ones.
Oh yeah, B series has 600 bolts to hold the power housing to the
And they're all different sizes.
engine. Yeah. Yep.
That's what you need when you make 140 horsepower.
Gotta have all the bolts, all that.
Some guy didn't believe me the other day. He's like, I've got 11 bolts out of the gearbox, so I know it's not that. Talking about taking the BDR out. And I was like, there's 12. He must, because that little numpty one on the other side above the starter motor, he must have forgot about it. And yeah, turns out he wanted to argue with everyone. So I come out here and I took a photo of the belly housing and counted 12 holes. Good on you, champion.
Some people just can't be wrong.
You want one of these bad boys? That's at least the length of the gearbox. Swivel end on it.
And you want to have someone standing under it so it does fly off. It fucking goes everywhere and hits someone in the head.
You want to get at least 3 nipped up. The recommended torque setting is 2-way stop. Newton meters.
Oh, he lost it.
Oh, missing a bolt.
Missing a bolt up there. Last bolt.
They're flying.
I think you're doing those ones up too tight, Brennan.
Oh yeah, we're on that, we're on.
Before you move that, look at how perfect we got that.
Nailed it.
Can we just appreciate that for a second? That was meant to be part of the video.
Yeah, it was. I got it.
You got a window here that tells you where your converter flex plate is. Try and line them up before you get them up there. If you're as good as me, you nail it. Not on the first try, but...
It's not always the first go. You're going to move it and then it comes back. It's not right. Loctite, because the Barra is known for massive vibrations.
Bad harmonics. Deep socket. You don't want to go tight on the first one. You still want some movement there.
Yeah, good idea.
There you go, quarter turn on that one. Yep.
On your champ, on your shoulder.
Why don't we have a gearbox mount?
Well, this gearbox got rebuilt and it didn't come with one. And the other gearbox, the owner come and got. So...
What about that, AU?
Broken? It's there.
Alright. What about, there's nothing in the ED?
I've got a new one, but it's the 2-bolt one, which we might probably use because this will be a lot better than the single one. I'll just have to modify that cross member.
be anywhere in this head.
Yeah, look, it's you've got a bit of stuff in here.
Should be down in
Down in the basement.
Ooh. A bit loud on the shit.
So what you doing here, Bizzo?
Well, there's a center punch. Like that center. Done already. Quick.
What are you drilling the hole for? No,
C4 gearbox now. Just 2 bolt. That chance of it pulling and breaking. The factory board one, single hole. Done.
What's going on here? I'm a businessman.
That was quick. It was real quick.
Fucking pretty good. Yeah, I've already smacked 2 and a massive coffee.
Will you huck us one real quick?
I thought you were going to say something else about a massive. Started the same. No, we smashed a massive coffee this morning. I did. Coffee.
Cheers, brother.
Get that off.
Neighbours' houses.
Hey mate, if you actually just want to put that in the vise so it doesn't move, that'd be great.
I want to, but
Yeah, no, just in the vise, yeah, just in there tight this time.
I'm pretty safe. Maybe you should. Yeah, that.
That's coming off again for sure.
mate, these look like they're off that Cyclone. A show car, was it? Was this a VA show car? I think I've seen it around.
Maybe.
Summernats. It was Summernats or Street Machine. I can't remember.
Maybe Logan.
It made the sale worthwhile, didn't it? I mean, you weren't going to take it unless it came with these.
Yeah, what is it?
Let's get a good look at that.
There's a ball in it.
Anybody else out there got any info? Let us know. Whatever happened to the Cyclone show car?
I'll go down a little bit more.
That's not cool.
Yeah, you ready?
It's not like it. Gotta get a gearbox in first, anyway. Yeah.
Well, you don't want to do it, the gearbox out? That's
Because
perfect.
I don't know where the motor's going to sit.
That'll sound good like that.
Well, it's not going to sound good at all. I'll tell you what. Piece of shit.
There he is. Look at that. You're just pretending to be the clutch cable.
It's a little trick. Don't try and do it until you got it in the clutch. Otherwise the disc will fall out. Or down.
You want your discs to fall out?
Disc will be like my
Like your
L4, L5 S1.
Go!
Shouldn't be the gearbox.
Be like your back from carrying the weight of the world, mate.
Carrying the weight of JTI Bennett. Haha. Didn't think about that, did you?
Nah, it just took a little to get it out. So, Rico T5. This is the red X8 chute with the Barra. And this is the Barra boy himself. Yep, there he goes. He's pretty skilled.
Oh, fuck off. I'll just turn the camera.
So what do we know about T5s, Mr. Barra?
Well, 5 gears forward, 1 reverse.
Well, that's handy.
Says it in the name.
The hardware. Just a quick stop to the hardware. You need a hand, mate, or you right? You want a hand? I'll give you a hand. Let me help you. Let me help you there, young fella. Yeah, if you can get that in there, that'd be good. I wouldn't trust it, but... This looks scientific, mate. It's precision. Yeah, it'll work out.
I'm going to cut that off too.
Well, do you?
Well, yeah.
Where's the cat?
Doesn't matter.
No. Yeah, it's not straight.
It's going to be straight.
Still not straight. What are you planning on doing there?
That's straight as, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so straight.
First thing's first, I'm going to get some safeties on.
Oh, yeah. Borrow your son's safeties, mate?
Yeah, that's straight. Then I'll go on a bit.
Yeah, it's perfect. You're gonna run out of fucking SD card before you start welding, mate.